This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Update and Security. This exposes the current update status so you can act. Once there, inspect active downloads and any scheduled restart times, because stopping mid-download differs from postponing a restart. Now choose Pause Updates for 7 days or pick a specific pause end date to immediately halt new installations. Doing this buys time to prepare backups or resolve compatibility before making more permanent changes, and it prevents an automatic reboot while you work. Next, stop the mechanisms that trigger updates automatically by disabling the Windows Update service. Open Services, MSC, and change its startup type to manual or disabled. Once stopped, it prevents new update checks. Then open Task Scheduler and disable update-related tasks under Microsoft Windows. These tasks can re-enable checks if left alone. If you prefer a softer approach, set a metered connection or configure group policy to defer feature updates. These steps control the how and why updates stop, so Windows won't fetch or schedule installs unexpectedly. To finish, reboot and immediately check Windows Update to confirm downloads stopped and no restart is pending. This validates that services and scheduled tasks stayed disabled. If updates persist, stop the WiiWaServe service from an elevated command prompt, clear the software distribution folder to remove queued files, then restart the service to reset the update state. Make sure to create a restore point before re-enabling updates so you can revert changes if something breaks. One troubleshooting tip: if an update already locked files, try safe mode to delete files safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.